Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a secured card deposit and manage it step by step clearly. To set up a secured card deposit, begin by researching different financial institutions that offer secured credit cards. Choose a bank or credit union that suits your needs and offers favorable terms. Visit their website or a local branch to gather information about their secured credit card options. Fill out the application form for the secured card, providing your personal details such as name, address, and social security number. Indicate your desired credit limit, which typically corresponds to the amount you are willing to deposit as collateral. Transfer the deposit amount to your chosen financial institution, ensuring it meets their minimum requirement. Review the terms and conditions of the card to understand interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your secured credit card in the mail. Activate your card by following the instructions provided with it. To manage your secured card effectively, keep track of your expenses to ensure you stay within your budget. Set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid late fees and maintain a good payment history. Monitor your credit utilization rate by keeping your balance low relative to your credit limit. Regularly check your credit report for any errors or inaccuracies. After using the card responsibly for a period, consider requesting a review for an upgrade to an unsecured card. If you decide to close the account in the future, be aware that your deposit will be refunded once the balance is paid off. Staying informed and responsible is key to maximizing the benefits of your secured credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.